Guys, this is Cobra Stick, and I know it was Nate G before, but my brother doesn't do YouTube anymore, so I basically took over. And today I will be showing you my Nerf guns. Right here, I have my Nerf little section. So I have the Tri-Strike up top, Raven, Star Wars gun, Apollo, Fire Strike, Retaliator, Doominator, Lawbringer, and what do you call that? The Demolisher 2-in-1. And I also got, let me just put this here. If you guys know what is the Centurion, I have it right here. It's a big gun, can't even fit it in the screen. Yeah, and it fires really hard, like. So yeah, and I also got the rival mask. So you go, so it looks like that. And I got the scope from the long strike. The long shot, which is right here. And then I got, right here. And then I got the, where is it? Got all my mags here, which you can't see, which I'm gonna bring you there. Right, here's all my mags there. And all of my bullets here. It's hard to see right now. Lots of bullets. And yeah, so also got the big mag for the centurion. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video. Comment, subscribe, and like. Bye guys.